reach the For You page and gain more views and likes? Focus on these tips. 1. High-quality content. Ensure your video has clear visuals, good lighting, and steady shots. Engaging and informative content will retain viewers' attention. Engaging audio. Use clear narration or voiceover, and consider background music that complements your content. 3. Trending hashtags. Use relevant and trending hashtags like handmade, DIY, crafting, and eco-friendly. Research current trending hashtags to boost visibility. 4. Attractive thumbnails. Design eye-catching thumbnails with bold text and clear images to entice clicks. 5. Engaging titles and descriptions. Create an interesting title and a detailed description that explains the content. Include keywords and hashtags in the description. 6. Consistency. Regularly post content to keep your audience engaged and attract new viewers. With these tips, your video is more likely to gain traction and potentially appear on the For You page.